crazy, girl. Hi. Def got a little bit more toasted yesterday than I wanted to, but it's okay. I'm wearing this bikini. I'll put the brand right here. Just gonna throw over like a little cover up or whatever because we're going to get breakfast. And then we're gonna start our day. Basically, we wanted to go to the Matisse Museum and a couple other museums, but because it's Monday, a lot of places are closed. And the Matisse Museum they're opening up a new exhibit. So it's like all closed up until like June 18th or something? June 9th, whoa. And we will still be here, but in Barcelona, which is unfortunate. But yeah, if you come to Nice, that would be a really cool place to go to. Love Matisse, so that would have been really fun to see, but it's okay. We'll, again, improvise the day and do some fun things. Hope you guys enjoyed last week's video. It was super fun to edit and I'm happy with the way it came out. Oh my God, I stayed up so late trying to download like good non-copyrighted music. Kieran and I were like peeing our pants. It's so hard to find good music. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Some of you guys who make music have actually sent me your stuff, so I still have to like go through that and all that, but that would be so cool to like use some of my subscribers' music as like part of my video. I don't know, it would be cool. Always DM me, message me, email me, etc. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna go. And I'll take you guys with, of course. But yeah, happy Monday. Let's take on the day. Good morning, Nice. Me putting on this belt later for the vibes. Wearing these little green booty shorts. Anyways, okay. Love you, let's go. I'm hungry. Beach fit. Right in front of the volleyball. Doing another beach day. Don't worry, my sunscreened up and I'm tanning my back today. I'm obsessed with this water. Look at how blue. Hi guys, we are about to head out to dinner. We spent like the whole day at the beach. It's very, very lovely. You can hear that, that's Kieran peeing in the background. Anyways, yeah, we're going to the seafood restaurant, like really close to our Airbnb, right in kind of like the town square center situation. Gonna get some yummy, yummy food. I'm very, very excited. And I'll show you guys what we get and the name of the restaurant. I'll put it right here. Yeah, we love the area that we're staying in. The Airbnb, on the other hand, we're not obsessed with, but it's okay. It makes it so worth it because of the area that we're in. And then after Nice is Barcelona, and that's where we end our trip, or that's where I end my trip. Then Kieran goes to Dublin and is off to his Asia excursion, which is amazing. And he's going to conquer the world. Okay, I don't know why I'm holding the Airbnb keys. We're gonna go. This is my little outfit. This black dress that I thrifted, which I love. She's very cute. Very simple, little black kitten heels. Clip my hair up. Nothing too crazy, little black bag. Just very casual. Kieran's fit, Slade. Ready?
Ready.
Just like cleaned it all up and tightened it, but we're allowed to keep our bags there before or until we leave for the airport. Whoa. These automatic lights go crazy. So we're leaving our bags there and stuff, but we are rolling to start our day. Going to get some breakfast, gonna hit some museums. Hopefully the market is open again. Walk around the beach. Just have a little day. But our flight is tonight at like 9. We're gonna go to the airport quite early because it's an easy jet and those flights scare me. So it's gonna be an early vibe. I'm wearing a very chill outfit. Got my little Taylor Miguel very berry skirt on. Slade. And a little bit of my weird spandex shorts underneath because I don't want my butt to show. It's kind of a cringe outfit, but it's fine. Headband, tank top. We're vibing. Yeah! They are under construction. So next option. We're doing a little fair do shopping in the streets. It's absolutely beautiful. We just went to the Museum of Modern Art / Contemporary Art, the MAMEC, and highly recommend if you're coming to Nice to go there. Do you agree, Karen?
Yes.
Yep. That and the Matisse Museum, which is closed, so we can't go, but I'm sure it's amazing. But yeah, okay. We're going to get a late lunch soonish. I need a bevy, I'm so thirsty, and gelato, and then we're gonna get our stuff and then head to the airport early. Okay, bye. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm usually these girls, like I'm literally them. But this happening next to each other is actually sending me into orbit. To Barca and a growing forehead pimple. How are you feeling, Kieran?
So good.
So good. Good night, everybody. Hi guys. We just had a little siesta. Where's the lighting? And we're going out for dinner now to get some yummy paella. I'm so good. And sangria. We had the best day ever today. It was so much fun. We went to the Casa Vicens. I did a tour there. Highly recommend that tour. That was actually so fucking cool. But I'm shouting out my friend Robin because she literally suggested every single place to us and basically made our whole itinerary. Well, she just sent me a list. Here and I've been plucking things out of Robin's list. So literal queen. Robin also has a YouTube channel and I'm linking her YouTube channel in the description because it's fire as well. But yeah, Robin, if you're watching this, you literally saved us and we've loved every single recommendation you've made. So fucking good. Especially Arigatos gelato. It was insane. You guys, if you guys go to Barcelona, you actually need to go there. And Robin said the chef there was a Michelin star chef and then he dipped to pursue gelato, which is pretty fucking cool. We got the sweet corn and vanilla flavor, the walnut miso, and the dulce de leche. And they all changed my life. So good. It was, Kieran's going to pee, but it was a big gaudy day. It was so cool. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking because Kieran's going pee now. Okay. This is the fit for today. With the boots, we're living for it. It's quite extra, but I love it, so it's fine. Again, regular thrifted / Depop necklace, and then corset Depop. These are Rizza the Label. I'll put her Instagram somewhere here. And then my boots are Depop Paisley vintage, like jacquard boots. Excited! Okay, let's go. Hi guys, we just had the yummiest brunch. Lunch sort of thing, because the wait was really long. And we're going to Parkwell now. But today is the first day of Primavera Sound, so we have that tonight. But what we didn't really know is that the Primavera set list is mainly like at night. So like they don't go on until like earliest, what, like 8, 7, 8? And then it goes until like 4 a.m., 5 a.m. So we have like Primavera at night, but then can still do things during the day, which is pretty cool. Kind of ideal. And it's at the end of our trip, so like that's kind of nice because sleep-wise we're probably not going to get much of it. So yeah, that's the plan. But we have Dua tonight. Who else? Tyler, Charlie XCX. Those were like the main 3 tonight, and then everything else is kind of spaced out within the 3 nights. It's Kieran's first music festival.
Yeah, like multi-day one.
Multi-day one, for sure. Oh, wiener dog. Wiener dog.
I guess that's kind of what.
Primavera outfits. We're going out with Kieran's friends right now, but first concert doesn't start until 1 in the morning. So we're out. The kids are out. I have this sick bag. People don't steal my shit. Tell them delivery, Meryl. Picture us moshing in these outfits. What did you think, Kieran?
It was good. She was like, you know.
She was doing it all. Yeah. She was doing her thing. We're waiting for Tyler, the Creator, right next door to her. And I want to see Charlie XCX, but she's literally 4 miles away. All on the opposite end. Sorry, I just hit you. It's almost 5 a.m. Fully walked 45 minutes home. Cabs and the buses either didn't fit people or weren't available. Bye, good night. Good morning. It's Friday morning. Well, it's not really morning. actually, but it's day 2 of Primavera. It starts earlier for us tonight with like the people we want to see. So we're heading there around like 6:37. And Cautious Chloë is like the first act we would like to see. But we kind of have a stacked set list. Very exciting. We are going to the Picasso Museum and like the beach today. This is the Tyler McGillivray Gemma top. I'll link it in the description. It's on pre-order. This is just a sample, but thought I'd plug it. We're at, what is it, Lulu and Flynn. It's very like American cafe, but we wanted a big breakfast brunch, so, and an iced coffee. I actually can't cope with my makeup right now. I like actually hate it. I'm having like an identity crisis. I like used to do this makeup a lot, and I'm just like not feeling it right now. And Kieran won't hear the end of it, but you know when you do makeup look and you just don't feel like you look like yourself, and then you're kind of like spiraling? That's me right now. We're like a 5-minute walk from the Picasso Museum, so if you're ever in Barcelona and like you want to see it, like you don't know where to eat before, this is a good little spot to hit in proximity to the Picasso Museum. Pair of foods here, I think. Love you, bye. Hey everybody, heading to Primavera.
Yeah.
So true. Outfit. I'll put it here. Kieran had to cut off his wristband because they put it on too tight. Lord o'clock. Our last day. I'm just filming quickly on my little camcorder because I have to leave it here. Basically, when we leave the house, we're going like straight to the concert and then back, so I can't bring like my video camera to the venue. So I'm just vlogging on this now and then gonna vlog on my phone for the rest of the day / night. But it's our last day. I have to go get a COVID test, so we're going to do that annoyingly now, even though I think it ends, the US like requirement for people to like come in with a negative test ends on Sunday. Which is when my flight is, and it ends before my flight leaves, but Delta's still saying I need to get a test, so we're gonna do it just to be safe. Yeah, I'll fill you in on what we do, but seeing La Sagrada Familia tonight before the concert, so I'm just very excited for that. Okay, yay! See you in a few! Bye.